beautiful thing to come home to. Raceline. Yes. Don't know if you can see from the video, but Raceline's so nice. The finish is just amazing. Went with the raw because I love the look, but they also clear coated on top of that, so it just keeps that finish looking nice. This is the daily, which isn't gonna see too much wheeling, definitely not a lot of rocks, so these ones aren't gonna get scratched or anything, so just went with the street lock. But Raceline still, we've run these in Moab at 5 psi or less, and they still do good without even a true bead lock. So very excited to be back in a set of Racelines, and a set of Avengers, my favorite wheel. Yup, what's up? Scott from For the Photo, and today is very exciting because I have these Racelines going on the Gladiator here, and we're gonna set those on some 35-inch Nitto Ridge Grapplers, so I'm very excited. Not sure if I'll need to lift the front a little bit more or not, but I guess we'll find out. It has a 1-inch puck on Willys suspension. Then we got this heavy stuff up here, so we'll see how it looks, but nevertheless, very excited. Gladiator is a great truck, been very excited with it, but they always just look a little weird, and this even has the 32s. I'm glad it doesn't have the sport tires, so it's been able to go a year like this, but I'm very excited to finally get it looking right. We're like it's a stepbrother over here, you know? Nothing like having two vehicles that'll get 9 miles to the gallon. Not sure, I'll keep the spacer on that one. There was 0 offset, but they look pretty wide with a little spacer on there, so we might have to lose that, but that's okay. Okay, so I got my first look here, just got it home. So I got the stalkers in the back, and really loving the look of the raw aluminum Racelines against the Stingray. I think it looks really good. Just trying to decide if I need a little bit more in the front, but let me know what you guys think. I like the look, I just don't feel like if I go over off-roading at all that it might bump in the front. Went ahead and left the spacers on to get those really out there looking mean. And yeah, this is the Willys, which already comes with the 1.5 Rubicon coils, and then I have a 1-inch spacer in the front, so this is kind of what the look I'm dealing with. It just looks like if I turn there a little bit that I'm definitely pretty close to that, and I definitely wouldn't have been able to do it with a stock bumper. So I guess just have to drive around and kind of see what's going to be the best option here, but definitely really liking the look of these guys on here and really happy. All right, here is the stock 32, obviously with no weight on it compared to the new 35s. Kind of hard to tell, it definitely looks way bigger in person. You can see the difference over here, but yeah, it's definitely nice to have a little bit of width and a lot more tire there. All right, got it out to the open a little bit more to get some sun on this. Do a little photo shoot here. Really digging this. Look at that shine. Raceline shine.